Bien, nos encontramos con Matt Denton, él es el diseñador de máquinas que han aparecido en las películas como Star Wars y algunas que ustedes van a ver a continuación. So, Matt, thank you for being with us here in Centro 3D.
No problem.
So, I just want to ask you about your work. How do you get the inspiration to design those machines?
Well, I grew up with Lego, so this was, as my childhood, it was all about Lego. That was my main toy, and I think using Lego as a child ultimately made me become an engineer, because playing with Lego and Lego Technic in particular, like this is seeing how cogs and wheels work, that inspired me to get into engineering, and ultimately that engineering job led me to work on Star Wars. But then this became a hobby, and I was like, what could I do to, it's like a love letter to Lego, is scale up giant Lego kits in my childhood using my 3D printing technology that I had to, like it's like a new thing. And I was like, what am I going to do with a 3D printer? Print giant Lego. Why wouldn't you?
Great. Which kind of material do you use in your creations?
So all of these are printed with two types of material. It's all PLA, but I use a poly-light material for less structural parts like this, let's say. This is poly-light. This is actually PTG, the clearer stuff. But the structural parts, the heavier duty bits, are Poly-Max, which is a tougher PLA. And then these tyres, which are also rubbery, this is done in Polyflex, so it's a 95 TPU. So it's really easy to print and lovely to work with.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. It's just like Lego.
Yeah, it is. So, last question. You were working for a Star Wars movie.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell us what do you do for this movie?
Sure. I mean, I work for the creature effects department, so we build all the creatures and droids, robots, that kind of thing. And my job within the creature effects department is electronics and software control systems. And I suppose I did that for all of the creatures and animatronics on the films, but my main character really was BB-8. So that's my droid, part of the team that created
It is
BB-8.
over here, right?
That's Dio. That's a different one.
Okay.
This is Dio over here, but
Can we
BB-8
take a
was the
look?
round one. Yeah, we can take a look. Yep.
So this is a wheel, right?
This is a wheel, yeah, but he turns on the spot, and this is actually a fan build design, so obviously I can't share the real files because I have an NDA with Star Wars, so I can't do that. So this is one that someone else designed just through pictures they'd seen, and then I asked them if I could have their files, but I changed the internals to suit what I wanted. So it's like my version of a fan build Dio droid.
Yeah.
Okay, super. So, Matt, thanks for being with us.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure to meet you. I hope to see you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you very much.
Amazing.
Cheers.